So I'm not sure if you're familiar with Fly Lady, but she has an entire system that helps you keep your home in order, in clean order, lots of routines and systems. And one of the things that she suggests is shining your sink. So there's a whole process around that, and I am going to do that today. Here we go. So first things first, I have my rubber gloves on, and I've got my instructions here on my phone to follow the Fly Lady system. And the first thing that they suggest is to clear out your sink and then rinse it well to make sure all the food and everything like that is down the drain. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fill your sink to the very top with very hot water. And she suggests just doing one sink at a time, so we're just going to work on this one at first. And in this sink, once it's filled with hot water, we are going to add a cup of bleach. And then we'll let it sit for an hour. So that is what we're going to do. I've got my iPad here to turn on some YouTube and watch some videos. And we're going to get this process started so we can let that sit. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use your gloved hand, or you could use a pair of tongs, and you're going to want to take your plug out of your sink. And I can already tell just how shiny my drain stopper is. There was a lot of junk that was kind of built up onto this. So now you're going to go ahead and rinse your sink well. Want to use some powdered cleanser. You could use Ajax, Comet, Barkeeper's Friend, or baking soda, and that's what I'm going to use today is baking soda. And you're just going to sprinkle it inside of your sink. This is going to act as a powdered abrasive, a gentle one. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to scrub your sink. Fly Lady recommends using an SOS pad, which is what I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to work it around my sink. She also recommends that you take an old toothbrush or perhaps some dental floss and get in and around your sink faucet. And once that's all done, you are going to rinse your sink very well. For the areas around my faucet, I'm just going to use a wet cloth and get the cleanser off. So here's my dental floss, and I'm going to go ahead and take a piece and use this inside of the grooves around my sink faucet. Okay, so at this point we are going to really go ahead and get in here and shine the sink. I can already tell that it is so much cleaner than it had been, but as you can see there's a lot of water spots and things like that. So she recommends to use Windex. I'm going to use my Scentsy Counter Clean. This is fantastic for stainless steel, so I prefer to use this, and I love the scent. It is a coconut lemongrass scent, so I'm going to use this on my sink. You go ahead and use the cleanser that you like. Again, she recommends Windex. I'm going to use a ShamWow cloth, just nice and soft. Again, you could use paper towels, you could use a towel, or a clean cleaning cloth. Okay, and so there you go, nice and shiny, and most importantly, it is deep cleaned. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the other side now with the same exact process, and I will shine it up, and in a couple hours I'll have to hand wash my dishes. So that's just the life of a homemaker and a mom. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Feel free to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.